Right, a past examination paper question. So this is an A-level core mathematics C1 past paper question from the year January 2010, and this was question number 1 of that paper. So let's have a look. Given that y equals x to the power 4 plus x to the power of a third plus 3, find dy over dx. So first things first, if you're not aware of differentiation or basic differentiation, I have created a video explaining the principle and the process, and I'll provide a link to that video in the description below. So we need basic differentiation over here. So remember the idea: if you have terms of the form ax to the power of n, where a and n are constants, then the derivative dy over dx would be, so the idea is we multiply by the power, n times a is na, and we subtract 1 from the power to give us n minus 1. So remember the idea: multiply by the power, subtract 1 from the power. Further to that, using the basic rule of differentiation, supposing you have y equals a, where a is a constant, so we can rewrite a as ax to the power 0, and further to this, if we apply the basic rule of differentiation to work out the derivative, so remember the idea again: multiply by the power, 0 times a is 0 into a, subtract 1 from the power to give us the 0 minus 1. 0 times anything is 0, so that therefore the derivative is 0. So what I'm trying to say here, the point that I'm trying to make is, whenever you differentiate a constant, any constant, the outcome is 0. So let's put these two things into practice to work out dy over dx for question number 1. So we have y, let me copy that down. Y is x to the power 4 plus x to the power of 1 over 3 or thirds plus the 3, and we need dy over dx, the derivative. So remember the idea: I have a term of the form ax to the power of n, so when I multiply by the power, 4 times the 1 in front is 4, and if I subtract 1 from the power, 4 minus 1, 3. So 4x cubed for the first term. Doing the same for the second term, when I multiply by the power, 1 over 3 times 1 in front is 1 over 3. So 1 over 3x. Subtracting 1 from the power, 1 over 3 minus 1 is minus 2 over 3. And when I differentiate 3, so remember this point here, whenever you differentiate a constant, the answer is 0. So you're going to have 0 for the derivative of 3. Then you're done. So this should be the solution for question number 1. Or you can go one more step. If you prefer, you can go one more step. You can rewrite this as 4x cubed plus the 1 over 3 and x to the power minus 2 thirds. So x to the power minus 2 thirds is the same as 1 over x to the power plus 2 thirds. And x to the power plus 2 thirds below, you can write that as the cube root of x squared. So you could rewrite this term over here as 1 over 3 into the cube root of x squared. So you can rewrite it back in the form of a root, or you can leave it like this. So nonetheless, this should be the solution to question number 1. Right, so this ends the video, sadly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.